Do Your Health, sponsored by Amnesty Health.
A doctor is working to combine state-of-the-art technology with the latest in medical research to actually regrow an important body part. News 2's Carolyn Murray joins us in studio for today's To Your Health report. Hey, Carolyn.
Hey, Sophia, thank you. A researcher at the University of Arizona is inventing ways to use 3D printing to actually regrow bones. With a combination of 3D printing and adult stem cells, a University of Arizona researcher is studying how to regrow long bone segments.
We developed the idea that maybe we could put in a scaffold that regenerates bone very quickly by adding stem cells from the patient, their own stem cells, and by adding some calcium particles and using a pattern that would cause the bone to grow really quickly.
The Department of Defense awarded University of Arizona professor of orthopedic surgery John Sivek a 5-year, $2 million grant to continue his research.
This is what our 3D printed scaffold looks like.
The 3D plastic bone-shaped frames called scaffolds are locked in place with 2 screws and a rod that all can easily be removed when bone forms over the scaffold.
All that's left is normal bone and you'll be back to this situation again.
The research, he says, mostly geared toward injured combat veterans, cancer patients, or victims of serious injuries.
After about 6 months, your body tends to give up trying to produce new bone and starts producing scar tissue. So if we can cause healing to occur really quickly, we can save the patient from having that problem.
Dr. Sivek says his research also includes an implanted sensor system to the scaffold, monitoring the patient's physical activity and how rehabilitation will help the patient grow their bone most quickly. Doctors say these types of injuries are big problems for people in the military, where explosions or combat injuries can cause big bone defects.